Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how you can insert in Huawei Nova 3E, how you can insert SIM card. So let's take a look. In order to insert in Nova 3E SIM card, you have to make sure you like to insert two SIM card, or you would like to set one SIM card and one SD card. In this mobile they have two options. You can use two SIM card, or you can use only one SIM card and one SD card. So now I am going to insert in my phone, and I am going to share with you how you can insert SIM card. So make sure before you're going to insert SIM card, make sure turn off your device. It will make more secure for your device, not damage anything. So better first of all your device turn off, and then in the left side corner you will find your SIM card insert card slot. Simply you using any kind of like this pin, maybe you will get in the box, or you can use any official clips, and then simply push in this slot. And when you push, you will see the SIM card will pop up, and just simply open the slot. And after that, if you like to insert two SIM card in your device, just simply use here like this. I wish you can see it clearly. Just this is your SIM card, and this is the place you can put here, and then take your other SIM card and put in here. And after that, simply you can insert in this phone. Now let's show how you can insert your SD card in this device. Same way, just insert the phone, and then the left side you can just put your SD card. This is how you can put your SD card and one SIM card. So this device is not support two SIM card with one SD card. Only it is support with if you can use two SIM card, or you can use one SIM card and one SD card, and simply just put over in your device and turn on your device. So this is how you can insert Nova 3E SIM card. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.